Black people shouldn't sit on my chair.
Now you must suffer the consequences. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're on the beach. We've spent the past couple of weeks after Carnival just enjoying the company of friends and moving around the island and having a good time before everybody goes back. So today we're on the beach. It's really a shame how much I take the beach for granted because I don't come to the beach often. But it's so good, y'all. It is so good. I kind of regret because sometimes I come to the beach and I don't even bathe. But yeah. So actually last week we went to Soufrière. We had like just a little trot down to Soufrière. We were hoping to do waterfalls and everything. It didn't exactly work out how we planned, but we still were able to do a little something. So I can let you all see that in the meantime while I soak in the sun and this. Wow.
Left there, that's Mount Jimmy. It's 8 hours to hike it, and it's 950 meters above sea level.
8 hours? Up and down?
4 hours up, 4 hours down.
That's for the average person?
8 hours?
Yeah, if you want to see a boa constrictor,
What you seen from the top of Mount Jimmy?
you can see the rest of the north, like Grozile, you can see Mikud and Doteni. So if you want to see a snake, a parrot, tarantula, iguana, that's
where you're going to hear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So thanks. I'll never go there.
Say left, bro. I think I'll go in a helicopter because you see them thing.
People could build everything with bamboo, houses, bridges, canoes, furniture. So after slavery, people used it and it became our national plant. Because the trees, because of the use of the food.
Oh, okay. How fast it grows, you said?
1 to 2 inches a day. So that
Yeah, he's the fastest growing plant.
So this will grow really quick, like every day by day.
Okay.
What a thing.
You know what I'm talking about, right? I know what you're talking about.
You plant your chocolate tea, your food, your soup.
But they put in it for sure. Cocoa tea. Go ahead and drink that.
Oh, I love rosemary. Oh, wow, look at how much rosemary y'all have. Hey, who my bag you?
Potato takes 3 months to harvest.
3 months? But that could be a papa. Okay, I don't have the patience.
Washing everything.
Okay. You know that's
That's
for
why
my.
they come in the market and something so damn expensive.
Just make the food smell nice. We have one in my bedroom.
Oh yes.
One thing, Natty Conquer and them know what they were doing when they say they're going to live in the heights. All the clean air, all the fresh air is up here. We finished already. Wow, yeah, that's a tough for us because it's not too long and it's not too short. Perfecto. The guide was really good too. Like very, very good. They're building a gazebo for anybody that wants to get married. Right in front of, is it PT Pizza? Right in front of PT Pizza? No. PT. Yeah. You're right in front of PT Pizza. Yeah. But maybe by the time you all come here, it will be finished. Just like that, we're done. Enjoyed it. We were trying to go to Seychelles, but somebody's having a wedding. So we gotta go somewhere else for lunch. So for y'all frustrating us. Because why everywhere closed you? Yes, it's Sunday, but everywhere is closed. They never be run away. The tourists are hungry. The restaurants are closed. The waterfalls are closed. That don't make no sense. But okay. We couldn't get Torail, but Diamond Falls was open, which is also the botanical gardens. If I must be completely honest, and I try to be as honest as possible on this channel, unless you're into flowers, if you're into flowers and you're into plants and botanical gardens and that's your stuff, then yeah, by all means, that would make the visit worth it. Apart from that, you can bathe in the waterfall. There are some pools that they have about 3 pools, but like we're here today and it's not even full. 2 of the pools are completely empty and the other one is now starting to full. So use that information as you please, but that's just my recommendation unless you're into flowers and it's like your passion. Yeah, but we're going down to Vieux Fort. We're gonna make it like a full round the island kind of thing. So we're in Soufrière, we're going down to Vieux Fort, and then we'll see if we get food down there. Fun times. Fun times. Let me let you see the pools.
It's cold? No?
I think they're supposed to be warmest. Emancipation Day in full swing, ton. In memory of the slaves. Yo, one thing. The beach is nice, eh? The beach is nice. I'm so ashamed that I don't come here often enough. And most times when I do come to the beach, I never bathe. What a calamity. Wow. One thing, I just really take my island for granted. Hate to see it. Yes. Okay, also back to today. So yeah, we're just taking a couple of hours. It's supposed to be 1 hour actually on the beach because we actually have a barbecue and liming thing with the rest of our friends this afternoon, like in 2 hours. So yeah, but this is where I live. So come vacation. It's nice down here.
Look at that fake vegetarian.
Festival are cooking it.
She says she doesn't eat some meat, but she have
Then they don't give me a spoon.
sauce.
Cheers! One last one.